How to be a word wizard while reading. Words are magical. They hold the key to unlocking the secrets and meanings within every story and text. Being a word wizard helps you understand stories better and learn new words. Strategies to determine the meaning of words. One way we can determine the meaning of unknown words is by using context clues. Context clues is when the reader uses the words and sentences around the tricky word to figure out its meaning. Read the sentence before and after the tricky word. How to be a word wizard while